Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So your internet randomly disconnected for a few minutes, cut down, drop down for 1 millisecond, 1 second. So how to fix it? So guys, click to start button, tab go to setting, system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and internet connection, turn it. Okay. Because this is all restart adapter and services, then close it. This is also close. Then guys, right click to PC and then manager, driver manager. You can search directly the driver manager. Okay, then network and adapter. So this is guys, you uninstall, otherwise you update and update to network core. This is already installed. So if you using laptop, so many drivers like Bluetooth, LAN, Realtek, all. So search on Google and download latest driver. Search on motherboard, laptop model number with model number, and download network driver, Bluetooth driver, Wi-Fi driver, and all driver, and install and update. Okay. Now third solutions. And same guys, this is LAN driver, and right click to properties, power management. This is check. If you not have check, you check, allow the computer turn off this computer server. Okay, and then close it. Next solution guys is edit, search on Windows, edit power plan, and then open advanced setting. So wireless adapter setting. So power saving mode maximum. Okay, you select maximum. Okay, you have minimum, lower power, so please select maximum, and then okay, and then close. And one more thing guys, you reset your network setting. So please go start button, then setting, then network and internet, advanced, network resets, and reset. Now you can just click restart, reset now, and your system will be restart and then checked. Okay.